The first question to ask of any new data set when you sit down to perform an analysis, bar none, is what is the grain of the data that I'm working with? This mental model comes from Tableau visionary Joshua Milligan. Way back in 2015, he wrote this really useful blog post that taught me a lot. He says, when you sit down with a new data set, the very first question to ask is, what does this value mean? Some number of records. I have one new record in this data set for each what? Which columns in the data define a unique record? And this is really important because granularity and aggregation are at the center of what we do as sense makers. And the difference between understanding and mistaking the grain of the original data that you're working with can really make the difference between a right triangle and a wrong triangle. So in this mental model, we want to open our eyes to the grain of the data and insights can be known. Close our eyes and all we can feel is grit.